Alright, so let's talk about the Theta Network. Because if you're into video streaming, crypto, or just want to earn from your extra bandwidth, you'll want to hear this. Imagine watching your favorite videos and getting rewarded for it. That's the big idea behind Theta Network. It's a decentralized video streaming platform powered by blockchain technology. Instead of relying on giant servers, Theta lets regular users, like you and me, share our spare internet bandwidth and computing power. And in exchange, we get token rewards. Yep, actual crypto. Theta's got some serious backing. Node Capital, DHVC, Steve Chen, Justin Kahn. Here's how it works. The backbone is a peer-to-peer network. Users run nodes, think mini servers, Validator nodes for security, Guardian nodes for monitoring, Edge nodes, the real MVPs, handling live video, transcoding, delivering content around the globe, no centralized servers, thousands of people helping each other out. And each time you share video or bandwidth, you earn THETA or TFUEL. The tech side, Theta uses a unique proof-of-stake system, combining speed and decentralization. It's fast, secure, and built for scale. You can stake Theta tokens to become a node operator and help govern the network. Google, Samsung, but so can you. Why go through all this? Traditional streaming is expensive, slow, and pays creators a tiny cut. Theta wants to fix that. Bandwidth cheaper, streams faster, users earn real rewards for helping out. So next time you're watching a stream, imagine getting paid for it. That's Theta Network. Decentralized, rewarding, and ready to shake up video streaming.